Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with SECU, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the SECU website. Log into your SECU account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on the registration link to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the budgeting tools section. Familiarize yourself with the budgeting options available. Click on the Create a Budget button to start your plan. Input your monthly income from all sources. Next, list your fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, and loan payments. Add variable expenses, such as groceries and entertainment. Review your spending habits by checking previous month's transactions. Prioritize necessary expenses over discretionary spending. Set spending limits for each budget category based on your income and expenses. Use the visual tools provided to see how your budget aligns with your goals. Save your budget and ensure to monitor it monthly. Adjust your budget as needed based on lifestyle changes or unexpected expenses. Utilize the Savings Goals feature to plan for future purchases or emergencies. Periodically revisit your budget to evaluate your financial health. Stay committed to tracking your expenses and adapting your budget accordingly. This will help you stay on top of your finances and achieve your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.